Hi everyone. Tonight we've got a special treat for you. We're going to be going down to Bennett Spring State Park and watching the stocking of trout into the stream this evening. So come along with us and enjoy.
My friend, let's go exploring.
Spring State Park is home to one of Missouri's most popular trout parks, but its aging hatchery is currently undergoing a major renovation. That means the trout normally raised right here are now coming in from other hatcheries.
Years ago, back in the late 80s and stuff, they would take the cable and drag the hands. Yeah. How they used to do it.
Four of them.
Yeah, we'll do one in zone one, one in zone two, two in zone one in the other zone.
We got
Labor Day weekend, Memorial Day weekend was the last time I believe it was.
Yeah. Hey, record him. He's giving a lot of information. I was hoping you were getting that earlier.
Yep. Oh yeah. Now we'll go up there, right below the old outlet. Zone 2. Well, no, we'll put pipes in it. Yeah, there's no way to back this truck anywhere. It's too good. It's all on the side. No. No. Right there below the field, open field.
as you work your way forward. I'm not going to push them off the same.
No. That road all the way down there.
Yeah, okay.
It'll be a little bit late. Yep.
Zone 2. It's the second trout dump in Zone 2 now. We started in 3.
Yeah. Pretty well. If you'll feel sliding through. Yep. Good.
Stocking days at Bennett Spring can draw quite a crowd. This truck has 10 tanks and is carrying approximately 5,200 to 5,300 trout. They are currently dumping tank 6, which means they've already stocked 3,100 fish into zones 2 and 3. So yes, Bennett Spring is still being stocked regularly. Currently, it seems twice a week, most often falling on Mondays and Thursdays. But conditions on the stream can change, and sometimes so does the bite. If you're not catching today, try again tomorrow. There's probably a new truckload on the way. Hit like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more outdoor Missouri content, and please drop a comment below with your best Bennett Spring fishing tip.
Take a breath. Open up your eyes and face the morning. Pack your things, my friend, let's go exploring.